Hi friends, I'm Anita. Today I'm going to make crepe dessert. Crepe is very simple, fast and children loves to eat this. This is the very easiest process you can have in dessert or savory and you can have in breakfast as well. So friend, here are the ingredients. This is the all-purpose flour and this is the whole milk and this is chopped banana, sugar, salt and the ghee. I have taken ghee or you can use butter as well. So Nutella chocolate. So friends, we are making the batter. So take 1 cup of the all-purpose flour, then mix it very careful. Little bit pour the milk. And friends, this is the very delicious dessert my daughter likes to eat. She always says mommy makes this dessert for me. This crepe is belongs from the France and this is America. It can call the pancake. You can say pancake, but pancake is little thicker, but this crepe is little liquid, so it's very thin. I need to mix this batter very well. So friends, now my daughter likes to mix this batter, so I allowed to her. So now we are going to add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, a little bit salt, so friends, without egg also you can make this recipe, but I am adding this egg. One egg is enough. Now we are going to mix the egg.
I'm going to mix it.
You are also going to mix? Okay, darling, can you leave this one? I'll mix it very well. Thank you. So friends, now batter is ready. So the consistency of batter like this much of thin, you can see. Friends, pan is already hot. So we need to apply little of ghee or you can spread the butter, oil, whatever you want to, you can spread on the pan. So I am going to put the batter on the pan, hot pan. Now we are going to spread like this. It's very simple. You can have this with breakfast. You can have this one for dessert. So friends, it should be thin layer like dosa. And I am going to turn the crepe. You can have this crepe with banana, strawberry, ice cream or whipped cream, or evenly with you can use any fruits, whatever you like to eat. Now I am turning. Look at the texture of the crepe. It should be like this color. Now friends, it's done. I will take out the plate. So this is the banana Nutella crepe. So I am going to spread the Nutella now on the crepe. This is very hot, so it's melted. So I am going to place the banana. which I have already sliced these bananas. Now fold it like this. So I am going to decorate now Nutella chocolate on this one. And little sugar on it. It's ready. Now it's done.
Nutella Crepe is ready. Yummy, tasty. Yummy, tasty. It's so yummy. If you like Mommy's video, then subscribe Mommy's channel.